Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This gorgeous 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, ranch style home was beautifully designed for easy conversion to a two-family house, allowing for rental income or a self-contained space for a family member. Situated on almost a quarter acre, the property has two entrances from two roads, one from the Spanish Town bypass and one from Cheniston Drive, making it even more attractive as a family or investment home. Upon entering, wood and glass inset double doors, you will be delighted by the expansive space and dramatically high vaulted ceilings. The kitchen is bright, inviting, and has granite countertops and modern fixtures. The open concept allows for an easy flow and interaction with family and guests when entertaining. All 4 bedrooms are spacious, with the primary suite being huge, including ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. The extensive garage has electronic doors and easy access to the home, just perfect for those rainy days or supermarket runs. The property has a dog kennel, and the land is well fruited, including pear, June plum, mango, plantain tree, just to name a few. It is also close to the highway for an easy commute. Call now. Make your appointment to view this gem. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is Jamaican $34,900,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.